In today's video, we are going to cover how to find your TurboTax account. Start by opening the TurboTax sign-in page. Go to the TurboTax website, and once the page loads, look to the top right corner for the sign-in option. Click Sign In to move to the Account Access screen. This is the page where TurboTax begins the process of locating and verifying your account. On the sign-in screen, enter your account information in the field provided. You can use your phone number, your email address, or your user ID, depending on which one is connected to your TurboTax account. After entering that information, click Sign In. Make sure you use the contact detail or user ID linked to the account you want to access, since that determines which verification options TurboTax will show next. After that, verify your identity using one of the available methods on screen. Depending on your account setup, you may see options such as use passkey, enter password, text a code, call with a code, or email a code. Select the option that matches the way you want to continue. The choices can vary from one account to another, so use whichever method appears and is available to you on that page. If you select Enter Password, type your Intuit password into the password field, then click Continue. Enter the password carefully and use the one associated with your Intuit account. If you choose one of the verification code options instead, wait for the code to arrive by text message, phone call, or email, depending on the method you selected. Once you receive it, type the code into the verification field and click Continue to complete the sign-in process. If the page takes a moment to load after you continue, wait for the verification check to finish. TurboTax will sign you in after your information is confirmed. At that point, you will be inside your TurboTax account and ready to work from your account dashboard. Once you are signed in, you can access the parts of the account that matter to you. You may be able to view your tax returns, continue filing if you have a return in progress, or manage account settings connected to your TurboTax profile. What you see may depend on the status of your account and any returns already started or completed, but the sign-in process itself is the same. The main goal here is to reach the correct TurboTax account by entering your account information and completing the identity check with the option provided on screen. Thanks for watching. Your TurboTax account is now signed in and ready to access.